Hey my friends, how are you today? Welcome to the video. And more really, how are you doing right now? And hope you're doing well. Loads of care to you. So yeah, in this video I want to kind of just say that we can never own nature, and nature doesn't belong to us. And like the natives would say, we belong to nature, and that's true. Nature can't own us. Same way as you can't own an animal, you can only be its family member or protect it or save it or care for it or defend it and look after it. You can't own another living being or a plant. All that's false programming by the institutions and the cabal and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, it's a beautiful backdrop, and I just thought it'd be a nice place to make a video. Let me see if I can just do something here. Ta-da! Hello! Usually I'm never hands-free. But yeah, let's go back to the backdrop because it's prettier. But yeah, this is my morning routine. Get out in nature. I was in a forest there, it was dark. Not fully dark though. So I highly encourage you all to get out into the healing energies of nature every single day, and every new day celebrating. Every morning. But we don't mourn a new day, we celebrate a new day. So it's good celebrating, not good mourning. Just like feeling so blessed, you know. That's what I want for us all. Don't know if you can see some birds. But yeah, I try and catch the sunrise. It's just beautiful, you know. I try and sun gaze. But in the morning I just try and in the celebrating I just try and like I have some fruits, some water, maybe some green powder and herbal powder possibly, otherwise just fruits and water, sometimes almond milk, homemade. And it's good for you, you know, having some light food or light drink first thing in the day. It's good. Because your digestive system's been asleep all night, so it's just slowly waking up. My goodness, it's so cold. So yeah, everyone, I wish you to get out in nature more. Do everything you can to raise your frequency, energy and vibration, including praying or asking the universe and high frequency beings to give you downloads and activations and help you to have a higher frequency, energy, vibration and consciousness. That's what I do, by the way, almost every single day, and it works. I don't know what to say. Some energy healer said yesterday that my energy was off the charts, and I was in the forest, so I attribute a lot to that. But no, I've raised my frequency a lot lately, you know, thankfully, and I'm so grateful for the people and the beings and spirit guides or angelic light beings or any other light beings. I also pray to in other civilizations, like I get help from the Arcturians and the Palladians, and I also ask or pray to the solar beings, which are sun, solar, like fire, like light beings, you know. I was told I'm a multidimensional self of mine is part of their civilization, and I also think I'm definitely largely Palladian. In the same way as I'm very strongly Vata and very. Wow! I just saw like 3 circles in the water. 3 really big circles. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that is so bizarre. Not used. Never see that. You probably can't see it in this back camera, but this is a pretty good back camera, isn't it? This is pretty cool. I love this. Ta-da! So yeah, don't let anything get you down, my friends, for long, because it will get you down. But don't let it get you down for long, okay? Oh my goodness, the waves are just staggering. So yeah, don't just get out there in nature. Don't watch my videos anymore or anyone else's videos. Well, you do a little bit. It's good to learn, you know. I do. But yeah, just be yourself, be your true self, be your authentic self. Don't be afraid of anything or anyone. And yeah, just be happy, choose to be happy, choose to raise your consciousness, and also talk to. Another thing that I do lately in my own life is I talk to my water as much as I can, or to my liquids, and I ask them to bestow me and to give me like the blessing of greater health, energy, well-being, happiness, joy, love, the ability to love deeper, more and greater, and higher, as I said before, a higher frequency, energy and consciousness and vibration. This is like so good. Love this. I can see it myself in my video, yeah? So. Hey! So yeah, better go now, friends. Loads of love. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hope this helps. Yeah, leave us a comment below, say hello, and checking my links below to check out my be friend me on Facebook, or just friend me there, or Instagram, or other social media, because many other social media platforms will have soon. So stay in touch.